Hello everyone, welcome to another Big Matt's food review. This one's going to be a voiceover, but it's still going to be a good review. Again, thanks for everybody's support, likes and comments. I appreciate all of them. And this one's going to be from Domino's, and it's going to be the honey barbecue chicken wings. Now to the review. And welcome to another food review. Domino's honey barbecue chicken wings. And you can see here they're nice and crispy. A savory honey barbecue sauce on there. 8-piece wings. Comes with a ranch dressing, and I ordered a honey barbecue extra dressing, extra sauce for it. And you can see in my hand I have a piece of wing covered in barbecue sauce, that honey barbecue sauce. Tore a little piece off, and it's got that real crisp taste right there. And as you can see, the chicken itself, juicy. And chewy. One thing about these chicken wings, they can get a little messy. I mean, the meat is tender, juicy. It's practically fallen off the bone. Another piece of the skin, real crispy. The taste, you can taste that sweet barbecue flavor. It's got a little tiny bit of a kick to it, but nothing I can't handle. And I mean, I truly enjoyed these wings. I get those often from Domino's. Yeah, not much more I can really say. The wings were spot on. They wasn't overcooked. It wasn't undercooked. They just run them through the oven. And yeah, you can see the meat just fell off those that bone there. And I'll savor in every moment. So for Domino's barbecue chicken wings, I'm gonna give it a perfect 10 out of 10. Alrighty, thanks a lot for watching.